Nice. That's cool. And that's the first time I've actually seen it in person. Scary. It's that other one. I'm gonna go look at that other one. Whoa. Dude, bumped my butt a little bit, but not bad.
When you put your bike up there like that, it looks way scarier.
Yeah, I'm thinking I tried it in first. I probably could have done it in second.
You could do it in second.
Yeah. Nice. So,
I pretty much do that every time.
oh, that was good. Let's see.
Dude, it's so scary looking from right here. Look
Try.
at the side view.
I'm trying to see if there's an option that doesn't involve my bike going back down this hill.
There is. I'll grab the front wheel.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Let me get on the other side over there and see if maybe I can get it a little shorter.
Down.
Yeah.
Fucking went up there.
Not really. Almost. All right, drag it a little bit this way. Okay. All right, hold up. Whew. Thank you. Woo. Dude. I'll try that again next time. Different. Yeah. Huh? A little bit, but just had to keep going. Yeah.